Welcome to Nenubari Doba AI and Tech, your trusted source for AI news and innovation. Today's top story: Meta just released Q2 results and they're making a massive move in AI.
Earnings highlights Meta reported a 22% revenue increase, reaching $47.5 billion and earnings of 7.14 per share, both beating expectations. But it's the AI investment that's making waves.
AI investment. The company plans to spend between $66 and $72 billion in 2025, mostly on AI infrastructure, servers, and data centers. It's a bold move as Meta competes with OpenAI, Google, and Microsoft in the AI arms race. Market response investors loved it. Meta stock jumped nearly 9% after hours. Analysts say the risk is paying off as Meta transforms into an AI-first company.
Wrap Up and CTA Meta is clearly betting its future on artificial intelligence. For more quick AI updates like this, subscribe to Nenubari Doba AI and Tech and stay informed.